Hi, this is Ian from QMotion on stand 2C50 Legrand Hall 2. So this year QMotion are showing our QBasic Plus system, which is an easy upgradable manual to motorized shade. So you retain the hardware, you retain the fabric, you pull out the tube, you slot in a battery motor or a wired motor, and it becomes a motorized solution. Great for a budget-conscious project where the client cannot afford motorized shades throughout the project to start with. The second system here is our motorized QMotion roller system that is available in a battery or a wired solution, so it's Cat6 wiring or battery. So battery's great for retrofit, wiring's great for a new build. So you just structure the property with Cat6 wiring. Here we go into our Roman system. Roman system is our hardware. We take the fabricator's Roman fabric and we put it onto our hardware system. Again, fully integratable battery or wired solution. These systems along here on the motorized are all controlled by Vantage control system, which links fantastically to the lighting control of Vantage. Here we're showing for the first time our Q-Track system, which is for the first time a fully automated motorized curtain track system that comes in 3 formats of power. There is D-cell alkaline power, lithium power, and Cat6 hardwired power to drive the drapery. It will also be integrated through Vantage and other leading control platforms. If you want some more information on the superb range of QMotion products, please go to our website www.qmotionshades.co.uk. Thank you.